Let's do the fried egg salad. What? You're gonna make a fried egg salad? You bet I am, my friends, because that's what you would do in Thailand. This salad's really cool. So lots of crunchy veg and the dressing, and then some fried eggs with pierced yolks. So step one, a little bit of canola oil in a pan, and then you can just crack your eggs in. You wanna hear a nice sizzle. That's great. The best part about these eggs in the salad is you get the whites really nice and crispy. So 4 eggs. And then I like to pierce the yolks. So get the eggs in there, and then get a fork and pierce the yolks a little bit, and squish it around. Yeah, this is great. And then just let it sit there. You wanna get it really nice and crispy. And then just a little bit of salt and pepper. Okay, so the cabbage is really nice and crunchy and big and bold, and the carrots are nice and sweet. And I like to dress the salad a little early. Because of the lime in the dressing, it really softens up the cabbage, and it goes from like really strong and crunchy to kind of nice and mild. It's a beautiful thing. So to give the salad another big pop of freshness, some cilantro leaves, which is great in Thai cooking, plus it goes with the dressing. And I'm a sucker for crunch, and I'm a little bit nutty, so peanuts. It gives it great crunch, actually, and you find peanuts all over Thai cooking. Awesome. So check these eggs out. So once you get a really nice crust on it, I like to roll the yolk a little bit and then loosen the egg from the pan. And you can do this with a spatula if you want, or you can do the old Spencer Watts flip. That's perfect. You want a nice crust on the bottom of the egg. And then I like to get my hands into the salad and really dress it in because the cabbage is so woody and crunchy. You just want to massage it a little bit and get that dressing all over. Awesome. Okay, so for the eggs, so when it's nice and crunchy, onto a board, and I like to roll it like a cigar almost. So roll it up, and it's really cool. You might be thinking, he's gonna put warm egg in the salad, but it does something really neat. You put warm egg in the salad, and it wakes everything up again. Because the dressing's cold and the cabbage is cold and crunchy, if you put the warm egg in, again, it helps to soften the cabbage, but it brings everything to life. Awesome. And you wouldn't want to use runny yolks in this. You want the yolks nice and cooked out and crispy whites. All right, that's good to go. Fresh, crunchy, delicious, vibrant. And then I like to garnish with the stuff that I put in the salad. So just plate this really humbly. You want a nice pile of crunchy veg. Honestly, the smell of this is wild, from the lime and the fish sauce and the egg and the cilantro. And even the cilantro wakes up too when you put that hot egg in it. Yes, just a nice big pile of cabbage. That looks so cool. And then just to finish it, some more fresh cilantro on top and some peanuts. If you've never tried this salad, do yourself a favor. You're really gonna like it. And lots of crunchy peanuts. There's peanuts all over Thailand and all over this salad, and it's a great balance of crunchy cabbage, the kicked up dressing, the warm egg, the carrots, the cilantro, and crunchy peanuts. Look at how beautiful that salad is. Full of color, full of texture, full of flavor, and full of crunch. Thai-style salad with crunchy veg, fried egg, and peanuts. So whether you love Thai or you're new to Thai, get this stuff, have fun making it. So what are you waiting for? Go do some cooking.